Image capture and samples learning tutorial. Click Debug Mode. Enter the password 0726 to access the debugging interface. Click Image Capture. Check the Intelligent Mode box to activate it, then proceed to click. The front or rear indicator shows the active camera. Before we begin, make sure to have samples of both good and defective products, as well as a small piece of cardboard. It doesn't matter what you capture first. Let's start by taking a picture of the good samples. Place the cardboard on the chute to act as a gate for the samples. Then, load your samples good or defective onto the cardboard. Click Capture and then OK on the screen. Then, quickly remove the cardboard for the sample's simultaneous drop. Here is the good sample image captured by the front camera. For the front camera, we now need to capture the image of the defective samples. Let's confirm that we are still on the front camera. Set the cardboard. Place the defective samples on the cardboard. Click Capture and then OK on the screen. Remove the cardboard to allow the defective samples to fall simultaneously. This image shows the defective samples captured by the front camera. Now, let's switch to the rear camera. To keep it simple, let's also start with the good sample for the rear camera. Let's confirm that the rear camera is now active. Place the cardboard, then place the good samples on it. Click Capture and then OK on the screen. Quickly remove the cardboard. Image 3, rear camera, good samples. Finally, the defective samples for the rear camera. Place the cardboard, then place the defective samples on it. Click Capture and then OK on the screen. Quickly remove the cardboard. Image 4, the impurity samples captured by the rear camera. Now, processing images to define good and defective products. Let's switch to the front camera to analyze it first. The first two images are the sample pictures we captured with the front camera. Click Material 1 and mark it as good. Double-click Material 2 and mark it as bad. Front camera marking is complete. Click Auto Cal, then OK to run the analysis. Analyzing, processing front camera. Next, let's use the simulation to preview the identification results. Click into the image, click Simulate, and observe. The good product sample image has almost no pink markers. Then click on the second image to see the defective sample simulation. The defective sample image is mostly covered with pink markers. Front camera sample processing is done. Let's move to rear camera analysis. Click Front and switch it to Rear. Label the two rear camera sample images. Click Auto Cal and then OK to analyze and process rear samples. Analyzing, processing. Click on the image of the rear camera's good samples. Click Simulate. Clean areas with no pink defective marks. Check the fourth image, the rear camera's defective sample. Click Simulate. Pink color represents defects. Click Back. Click Back. Click Save and then OK to save the analysis results.